Okay, this is our King Suite at Loews Sapphire Falls. We've been here for a week, so it's a little bit messy, but this is the living area. And you have a nice little sink and a coffee maker and a desk. We've got some Christmas decorations up because it's December, and a sitting area which we love. Which is really comfortable, and we have a fantastic view of the parks, which is night time, so I don't know if you can see. Oops, there we are. Huge TV, enormous TV. Through to the bedroom.
Hello.
Huge king size bed.
This is where the magic happens.
Another huge TV.
Make sure you start it.
Through to shower room. Really big shower. Really good shower. Very hot. And then you have a sink area. Whoops. And then through to bathroom. There's the toilet area. And that's our King Suite. Highly recommend it. It's a fantastic place to stay.